Hi! Welcome back to Flights of Fancy. I'm Sarah, and today I'll be planting some plants. The other day you saw that I made some fancy planters out of some recycled materials, and since then I've been busy. I have successfully made a green oasis on my lower deck here to relax and read my book in, at least while the baby's napping. I just wanted to make sure that you had a chance to see what I did with my planters. It's just so satisfying, except for a few short videos that I have already recorded about setting up my bee house and baking bread and a few little short ones like that. I think I'll be mainly returning to flat art, speed inking, speed colored pencils, speed watercolor, maybe even some speed oil. Enjoy watching as I plant my fancy recycled planters.
Hi fancy fans, we're going to start off first with this one made out of a milk container, and I used an ordinary plain longish nail to make holes in all of my containers. The plastic was very soft in the milk container, so the hammer was a little overkill, but as you can see it worked just fine using my hands. Add a few rocks to the bottom. A small layer of rocks will do just nicely for drainage. I found these around my yard, but I'm sure you can get them somewhere. Some planting soil. Leave room for the plant, of course. Pack in a little more dirt around the plant. This plant is going to be a reddish pink, so I thought it would match the container quite nicely. Next is my sunshine container, so I put in a beautiful yellow flower. I forgot to poke the holes first. Rocks, planting soil, and then the flower. Squeeze the flower's container that it comes in a little bit to loosen up the roots, and it'll pop right out. There we are. And now the orange container is going to receive some orange and red flowers. Just the kind that I mimicked on the side of the container. These come together very quickly. Super fun and satisfying to make a whole array of planted flowers for your deck or yard, or if you have a sunny spot inside the house, that's nice too. The plastic of this container, it was a detergent container, was very thick, so it was a little hard to poke those holes. Perhaps if you had access to a small drill, that would be very efficient. Put some beautiful green leaves in that one. That's not going to make a flower, but it just has very nice leaves. And I had a couple extra milk containers on hand that I did not get around to decorating, but they look very shabby chic, so I'm just going to go ahead and use those as is. And this is a large planter I had on my front stoop, so I repurposed it for more flowers. These hyacinths were extremely beautiful. They got very large and smelled amazing. And here is my array of beautiful planted plants. Thank you so much for watching.
Well, hope that was satisfying and entertaining. Subscribe, and we'll catch you next time for some more flat art. Speed oil.